guys, we are monetized. Welcome to Loudly Woman on Court, wherever you're watching me from. In fact, I can't contain this joy, this happiness. I have to hold this mic, like put it closer to my mouth so that you guys can hear me loud and clear. As a content creator that's is yet to be monetized. Your video is yet to be monetized. Finally, YouTube monetize your video. You will understand these feelings. I never planned to be a YouTuber, though I was introduced to YouTube by my younger sister, my mother's bottom part. However, it has always been my dream to be a work from home mom, to be able to balance both work and my family. I started this YouTube journey with the hope of just set your camera, set your ring light, make video, blah blah blah, and start making money. But lo and behold, YouTube journey no be here. In fact, you have to continue pushing it. At a time, I told my sister, in fact, I'm so tired. She said, no, keep on pushing it. I kept on pushing it without relenting. My first video was awkward. The sound, the quality, in fact, it was something else. You know, I never gave up. The more I make videos, the more I get perfect. However, I want to say a very big thank you, massive thank you. My appreciation goes to my wonderful subscribers, those people that have stayed with me right from the scratch and are still staying with me, those people that have still subscribing, watching my videos, whatever part you have contributed in this growth, either by sharing my videos or recommending my videos to your friends and families. I want to say a very, very big thank you for your support. Like, it means a whole lot to me. When I started this YouTube journey, I had in mind to go for relationship and marriage. That was the niche I chose, but I realized that it wasn't working for me in this YouTube. See, anything that you're doing, just be focused and always read. What would I say? How would I put this? Stay focused and pay attention. That's the right word. Pay attention when you are doing this, whatever you are doing on YouTube, and you see it's not working for you. Please, you have to switch is the right word. Switch to another niche that will work for you. You are here to make money and also to entertain people. People like when you give them what they want. When you look at your analysis and your YouTube analysis, no mind me, just let me just follow that grammar. Your YouTube analysis, whatever, so you understand what I mean. You realize that this one is what the last video that performed very, very well. That is what I think you should focus on. I kind of changed my niche from that relationship to this new celebrity trending true crime stories, because I did one video regarding to I don't know if you guys can remember that video of a girl, Chrisland school girl, that got she had to get trended. I don't want to use one keyword here that is against YouTube. Is against YouTube, whatever. So that's Chrisland girl video. I did it, and it was basically on analysis. I analyzed what happened and the way that video went well. Like, YouTube algorithm picked it fast, and that was the first video I made that gave me 9-point-something K views. I kind of sat myself down and said, wow, it seems this is the place I will channel my energy to, since the whole relationship thing, whatever, is not working for me. So that's just the story of my YouTube journey. And shout out to all and to some of the big YouTubers that find it one way or the other to share my video in their community. Shout out to Sandra Reality. In fact, the woman is very, very down to earth, unlike some, I don't want to mention name, that in fact, before they go even reply your DM, then talk more of the process, talk more of the whatnot, the join, the sweet, the sugar and honey, the bitter leaf on top before they share your video in their YouTube community. No be here. YouTube, if you are producing video, if you are doing video, or as a content creator, my dear, just be doing your own and be praying God gives you the right direction and direct you to that right person that will lead you to the right path. Shout out to Sandra Reality. Shout out to Mona Ozoma. I really appreciate this, and I'm dedicating this video to you, my fans. You, in fact, this joy, oh my God, I'm very, very, very so much happy. Shout out to you, my fans. I'm nothing without you. Without you watching my video, of course, how I go make money? Without you watching my videos, without you listening to my nonsense, listening to the ones that have meaning and the ones that does not have meaning, even staying to the end of this video of the video is a big honor to me. Thank you guys. I'm not kind of trying to make any news video, whatever. This is an appreciation video dedicated to my supporters, to those that have not yet subscribed. I hope and I believe that one day you come across this video. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. To you that have subscribed, you guys are the best. To you that watch my video, you guys are the best. In fact, whosoever, you guys are the best. This is my 10 months of being a YouTuber, and I'm even kind of surprised how fast my videos are being monetized, and even the monetization process went very, very fast. Like within 2 days, I got a notification on Sunday. I applied on that Sunday. Monday, YouTube sent me an email again to apply, congratulating me that reminding me, that I have met up with the criteria to partner with them. Before the email, I've already applied. Lo and behold, yesterday, as I was making my video to upload, go to my YouTube studio, I just saw, I said, what's happening? And I went straight to my email. Behold, the in fact, the kind shout why I shout there. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching and staying with me up to this moment. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube journey, to my YouTube channel, please and please hit on the red subscribe button to do so. It's imperative. Remember, your subscription is free. No order, no just hold on like this. Your subscription is not yet complete if you have not yet turn on your notification bell to always get alert of my new videos on trendings, on true crime, on news. Thank you for watching and stay